The Chattanooga City Council is just a few months away from drafting next year's budget. They say they hope to avoid a repeat of last year when they passed the budget but went back and forth for months after trying to find ways to raise pay for first responders.
Local 3's Logan Dubel breaks down the suggestions the council's taking from an expensive expert.
Come on up. Very excited.
Excited to hear what Dr. Chris Acuff, a UTC professor making $200 an hour for a budget research proposal, had to say Tuesday.
We had talked about developing some measures of fiscal health.
Last year, the council eventually agreed upon a new property tax rate covering a raise for first responders as part of their $390 million budget.
I feel like we need a policy that we fund increases on salary based on CPI or some number first in the budget.
That recommendation from Councilman Chip Henderson, who proposed Dr. Acuff's budget research. Henderson doesn't want to blame city employees needing raises for future tax increases.
It's not just about paying active first responders, it's about covering the cost of their pensions. Last year, there were almost 800 active first responders. That's slightly less than the number of beneficiaries, the people getting those pensions. And those numbers flipped for the first time in 2025, meaning there were more people taking out of the program than were putting in for the first time. And that's why Dr. Acuff is looking for other sources of revenue.
So 1943 was when the $5 sticker, those of you that have been around for a while, remember the little stickers you used to put in the front of your windshield.
That's the annual fee required for cars registered in Chattanooga. It's stayed flat since 1943, far below other Tennessee metros. Increasing the fee could help pay for road maintenance. Dr. Acuff's also suggesting looking at economic indicators, not just in pure cities like Huntsville, but in aspirational ones like Richmond or Winston-Salem.
It's not just about what's happening in that fiscal year, it's how does this meet our goals long term.
Long-term goals the council will have to sort out in next year's budget later this spring. Logan Dubel, Local 3 News.
Council members plan to have Dr. Acuff back as he continues drafting his report. His work was initially supposed to be complete by early January, but his compensation is capped at $20,000.